So hormonal acne is characterized by this kind of lower facial, one third of the lower face, very deep cystic nodules. And they can be quite painful and very resistant for patients. In terms of the treatment for hormonal acne, it really does most of the time have to be systemic because the cause of hormonal acne is a hormonal imbalance of the testosterone reacting with the hair follicles. The gold standard treatment that I actually myself take is a medication called spironolactone. Spironolactone at much higher doses is used for blood pressure management, but at the doses used for hormonal acne help regulate testosterone in the hair follicles, and it helps make those hair follicles not be as sensitive to the testosterone. So it does not cause a reduction in the hormones, it just helps with that skin sensitivity. The great thing about spironolactone is that it is not an antibiotic, so it's not something that's going to suppress your immune system or cause resistance in the future. And I myself have personally been on spironolactone for over 20 years, so it's a very safe, great alternative for our patients with deep hormonal acne. Topicals are also beneficial to kind of just make that skin cell look good, make the skin glow, but we really do need oral medications for hormonal acne.